try this bad boy out. I did go over all the bolts finally. Definitely gonna have to jet it. Definitely. Something's up at the tachometer. Must be a wire or something. Yeah, it looks like when I go home we'll be rejetting. It's actually pretty good on the bumps. All jetted up and ready to go. Let's see how she runs. That's no choke. Nah, no joke, no choke. Wow. Jetting's pretty close. That thing does handle pretty nice. Of course, you know, I don't have this thing broken in yet, so it will pick up a little bit more power, a little bit more speed. I don't really want to beat it, being so it's brand new and breaking in, but I did it for the video. So basically it's claiming like a 48 mile/hour top speed, but as you can see I got more. They still got all that maple syrup stuff up. I wonder if that freezes. Handles and bumps pretty good. I mean, I'm like 230 pounds and I don't bottom it out. We'll do it to a 50 since this won't do 60. See how accurate the speedometer is, and it's freaking cold out. It's not that far off. Not bad. This thing is a blast to ride though. A wheelie. I don't want to lose my phone now.
Flashback.
Oh shit.
Dude.
That's a big one this time.
Dude, you are not gonna make it down there. Thank you, that was just sir.
Nah, that's alright.
Appreciate it, thank you.
You guys work hard. Most of the time.
Yeah.
Minnie gets to do the picking up today. Do it for the gram. Minnie had to go play in the mud. Don't look too bad. Horizontal Honda motor. Identical to the Honda horizontal motors that they put on like all the pit bikes. He said it was a birthmark on the other side. Yeah. Oh, that's a little one. That's not too bad. Oh, how'd that get there? There's not even anything there.
No.
Probably did it during ship packaging. Keep space. Looks like it might be pretty quiet.
124.
124. Oh, that's not good either. You think they'd put a piece of cardboard or something in between there. Message! They're almost as big as a mini tire. Oh, it comes with a little rack?
Yeah.
Nice. That's a pretty good sized rack.
Right, Elliot, enough about your new rack already, man.
Wheelie bar. I've had a ton of people ask me to do one of these. Do the Chinese Grom, do the Chinese Grom. Toolkit, mirrors. These are dots mirrors. DOT. Again, the dots are back. It's easier with power tools. Too much manual labor. Oops. Well, this can be a pretty fast one, huh? Where can we jack it up? Gotta go way forward, almost on the head of the motor. And speedometer, digital.
That's for this side.
The spacer might go on that side.
Yeah, that's on the side.
Oh, dirt. There. Freaking rain. There it is. Maintenance free.
Yeah, for another seat?
Yeah. Hearing that. I'll put it together. I'll throw it on the trickle charger tonight. Positive first. Is there a rubber strap? That's where the tools go right there. Nope. They didn't give you a strap. Chain's tight, real tight. I wonder what that's for.
There's one over here too.
Stunt pegs. These got to go up a little more. Just a little bit. It's got check engine light. What the heck? Front fender. Adjust the controls. Actually, this feels pretty good. It's not too bad if you sit on it. It feels like the Grom. Right?
Yeah, it does like it.
That'd be a cool little bike. Idle screws all the way in. Probably should squeeze that, or else it's just going to keep falling out of there for sure. And that's holding that, and that's over there. See if the horn works. Yeah, gotta see where the fuel shut off is on this. But you won't believe where the fuel shut off is. It's right here.
Oh.
I guess it's on. You can't tell. See, at least they put a bar on this. I don't even think there's enough in there to lift the float. Yeah, mirror's pretty good. That's where the rack goes. It's got a cross thread's a tight thread. It slides back, see it? Goes like that.
Looks like it's decent quality.
Right, yeah.
I mean,
Like the
stitching-
plastics aren't
yeah.
bad. They're not. It's not like a brittle.
Yep. I like the grips. I like the seat.
Yeah, it's got
actually.
nice grips. The seat's stitched nice.
Yep. The welds seem to be halfway decent. I do like the instrument panel. It's pretty simple and informative
Yeah.
to me.
I forgot the rack. Huh, yeah, that's loose. That's why you gotta go over everything. Got a running light. Burn that oil off. Sounds pretty good. Tell Matt I'm coming to get him with his Grom. Rapping 8045. Ain't that right, Motor Rider? Oh, it's got a pass thing, yeah. Nice. No,
Yeah.
working. Not bad. Not bad at all, huh? 8500 red line. Woo! Not bad. You could literally put this thing together in what, 45 minutes to an hour? I want to go over it. Tighten all the bolts up. Make sure they're all snugged up. Those motors go forever on the pit bikes as long as you keep oil in them. That's a Honda clone. Pretty quiet. Well, let's jet this carburetor and tune it in. Don't mind my noisy furnace. So if you reach up in there, there's a shut-off valve, and you got to push it this way on, and that way is off. An 8mm. Carburetor's nice and easy to get to. Let's see if that fuel shut-off works. It does. Wow, it's on there. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
You know that that plunger has to line up with that pin. Cutout groove there is for the idle. Now this one has the mixture blocked off again. PZ25, made in Japan. It's an actual kind carburetor. Remember what I said to do the float as soon as it touches and it's level. That's good. 88. So it's got an 88 main jet. Judging how lean it is, I would like to probably go with a 92. These are smaller jets than the regular, like Hawk, of course. So I'll leave a link. Found my 92. Might be a bit of a jump, but man, thing was lean. Let's see what this primary jet is. K32. No, I don't have nothing small enough. See if I can get a little drill right in the very corner of that. And through. Now I need something strong enough to get in there to pick that out. Like a pick. Half. One. It's only open one. Wow. I'm going to go half. One. Because I can get to that pretty easily on there. I am going to shim the needle up. And of course what shimming the needle does, it brings on the middle quarter throttle, so it makes it richer, a little faster. That's pretty close. This only goes out one way. Make sure you line that groove up, and that plunger goes all the way in. That's gonna be much better. Alright, I'm going to show you the proper way to adjust a mixture screw, because I can get right to it here. You keep screwing the mixture in till it starts running crappy like that, and you back it out right there until it smooths out, and then you go back in just a little tiny bit, and that's it. The 1.5 turns out was too much. So now I get to do my MotoCheez TPS report card on this Hellcat Raptor. It actually ranked number 6, all things considered, for the size of the bike. So if you want to go check out a copy of this report, you can go to MotoCheez.com and click on the image and you can view it for yourself.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.